My name is Jason Tomei. I'm a Senior District Manager for Kawasaki Engines. I've been with Kawasaki for about 7 years, currently based in Atlanta, Georgia. So engine maintenance is so important to your engine because you're protecting your engine from dust and debris entering into your air filter and into your engine, also contaminants in the oil and in the environment. Your Kawasaki engine is the heartbeat of your equipment. In order to continue to get the best performance out of that engine, you want to continue to maintain it with genuine Kawasaki products. Over time, maintenance items need to be taken care of, and they need to be serviced. For starters, you always want to reference your owner's manual for correct maintenance intervals. So we always recommend starting the season off with a fresh tune-up, filters, oils, spark plugs. For oil, you want to check your oil daily, but you also want to change your oil about every 100 hours, if not more, depending on the environmental conditions that you're operating the engine in. When it comes to air filters, you're looking about every 200 to 250 hours. You want to change that air filter, but again, depending on the environmental conditions. Fuel filters are a small item, but they have a major impact. Many times fuel filters may get clogged because of particles in your fuel system. So if you notice that your engine is lacking power, it could be that your fuel filter may need to be replaced. When you clean off any dust and debris, you especially want to notice the chopper screen. The chopper screen allows airflow to enter into your engine to cool down the engine. So you want to make sure that there is not any restricted airflow to that engine. The range of products under Kawasaki Genuine Parts are from tune-up kits to maintenance items such as air filters and oil filters and fuel filters, all the way to replacement items such as coils and starters and gaskets. Kawasaki Genuine Parts tune-up kits offer a wide range of do-it-yourself maintenance items. They contain oil filters, air filters, fuel filters, spark plugs, and oil. Tune-up kits are a convenient, all-in-one box maintenance package that you can just grab from your local dealership and have it so that you can start your season off with the proper tune-up and also have it with you if you need to replace any of the items with that tune-up kit. Tune-up kits are conveniently packaged, however, you can get the parts individually at your local Kawasaki Engines dealership.